Dude, it's been like 3 days since I've had this bike, and I'm getting a little bit more comfortable, just a little bit. I wouldn't say anything like too comfortable. Ooh, Karen did not like that. Boom. Oh, getting better at these downshifts though. Down, rev. Ooh, that was clean. We getting somewhere with it, I'm telling you. And then you always want to have an escape route. So in the case that someone doesn't stop, you're able to go somewhere. So having that distance is going to be crucial for safety, so that you don't bump into the car in front of you. Oh, keep on going into neutral. That's when you don't want to go to neutral, is when you find it, huh? I feel like everyone always says that. I like to go fast to be safer, to be honest. Just because when you go faster, usually you run into less stupid drivers. That's what I've noticed driving a car. The slow drivers are always the stupid ones. That's just my opinion. It's not always right. I'm sure there's some smart slow drivers, but it's just the people who are nervous, you know? Those are the ones you gotta worry about. Now I can't find second. Oh shit, what the hell is this? Oh hell no. You see that motherfucker? That shit is crazy, bro. He was trying to go across the street. Oh shit. Bro, hell no. I did not want to see that shit. I feel like that's when you need the safety of a car, bro. I mean, these gloves can probably knock him out, right? If I needed to. I got a helmet, but if you poke me with a needle, I'm done, bro. Like, I'm cooked. Oh, now I'm at neutral. That's hella funny. Let's see. Oh, yeah, we're good. Hello, hello, hello. What's up, buddy? Is that the shift light? I didn't even know they had that. I'm so scared, I'm so scared, I'm so scared. Let's get out of here. What was that, bro? That thing, a naked bike? Yeah. What the heck? You got an MT-06? What's up, bro? What the? Why'd you get an MT-06?
And he was just closing the entrance.
What happened?
The fairings.
You took off the fairings? Yeah, I can see that.
So yeah, I mean the old one, it's kind of hella old, so always cracking on the
carbon on the way.
So I was like, I better take it out before doing something.
So just like that for now, you got carbon on the way. Well, no, yeah, huh? Should I take out his kill switch? That'd be so funny. Nothing. I ain't say nothing. Oh, you can't hear me right now. Oh, yeah, you got a car though. Fix that problem. It's a cool little bike though. I like the color. He painted it himself. We almost look like twins. Oh, cleared it. Alright, let's get going. Henry, get your ass over here. Oh, I should have got up. I remember that from the training. Should I kill switch him? Oh shit. This guy. My thing isn't venting very well. Oh fuck. There we go. This guy is so fast, jeez. All that for a red light. Nice one, bro. I want to hit that kill switch so bad. I'm just looking at it. Ooh. I'm not close enough. Am I close enough? He's like, hell no. So Henry told me I could just go through my gears by just clicking the downshift without... Oh, actually that doesn't feel too bad. What the heck? I thought you had to clutch in and rev up like on the car. It feels pretty good on the bike. Oh shit. Okay, well, maybe going up shifts. Definitely don't want to just keep revving it. Oh, I thought we were turning left. I wanted to do prank him again. That's just so funny. Oh fuck! I got myself. He's like, what the fuck? What happened to you? This is so fucking cool, bro. This is such a different experience in the car. Like, I remember getting my first car and I felt like I was the shit. Like, I can go anywhere I want. And now this is like, I don't know, it just feels like freedom, you know? I'm really happy with my purchase already. It's a little early to say like this is the bike for me. I definitely think it was the right choice, because I mean, usually I'm a buy once type of guy. I'm like, okay, I'd rather overspend and then not have to buy again. But I feel like this machine, I feel like I have to max it out before I want to get something crazier. Like, I don't want to have to, like, you know, I think you should, like a video game, unlock, you don't get the biggest sword and then not like charge it up to use it until like you're ready to use it. No, it's like you go through the levels one by one and then you get full power once you hit that level, and I'm just not there yet. Bro, what is he doing with this lane splitting? Here, let me get up there, I guess. Let me in, buddy. Damn, this motherfucker moving. Oh, I didn't realize we were going 50. Oh, I'm kind of nervous. Alright, here we go. This guy's going fucking hella fast. I was not ready for that, but you know, a little 300 compared to a 600, there's a big difference. Look at this fucking Miata, bro. What the fuck? How do you do the horn? That's a goofy ass horn, but that guy isn't fucking Miata as a dipshit, I'll tell you that. Let's see where Brody's taking me. So in San Jose, they call this place Pound Town. Is that where really where you're trying to take me? Low key, if you know where I'm at right now, this is low key Pound Town. That's why I call this place little community. Okay, where the hell are you taking me, boy? I've never been here. Oh, hell no. Downhill is crazy, bro. I'm gonna take my own pace. You know, that's the most important thing. You never know what you're gonna hit. There's some dirt on the ground. And it's a nice view up here, bro. Oh, okay. They definitely doing Pound Town right there. I'll tell you that. Like, that car looks sweaty. What the heck? Hey, yo, what you doing there? What's up, bro?
Yeah, over there.
This place looks cool. Is it better over there? Alright. I'll follow you. This guy is dancing. That's funny. What? Whoa, dude, the stanky leg? I've never seen this guy dance before. I need to take this guy to the club, see what he really do. How's that one clip go? It's like, and they were brothers. Something, I don't know. This is stupid real.
They were brothers, but bound by more than blood. They were twins as well, counterparts.